All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to call another participant of mine. He's come all the way from Malaysia. His name is Arisun. Let me share with you his testimonial. I was trading Forex by myself for 6 months. At the end of every month, I was usually break even, which means neither made money nor loss. All right. After taking the Power Up FX course, I realized the mistakes I had been making and started to apply the system as Kishore has taught. Slowly, I was able to start making $100 per day. Remember, if you make $100 per day, that's $3,000 a month. And since he lives in Malaysia, you go to time that by 3. That means he was making 9,000 ringgit a month in addition to his other income. Are you with me? Alright. Look here. As my skill improved, I started to increase this to $1,000 a day. Now I possess the skill to fish for myself. Not only that, I like the fact that I can make money so easily following the rules of the system. If you attend a Forex course, make it the Power Up course. Adi, where can I see you? Are you here? Oh, you're the back. Alright, come. Okay, he's my student from Malaysia. Give him a very big hand. Mic. Can we get the mic on? Someone? Technician? The mic on? On it. How do you on it? Oh, okay. It's at the bottom. There you go.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, so many people. Looks different from down there. Anyway, like what Kishore shared, let me give you a bit of background. I used to be editor for Car Magazine. Also, before that, I was a copywriter for advertising. So, I was working for other people and feeling very tired every day. I would go to work and then go home, and then I'll start the whole thing again, and then in the weekend, I'll just usually be sleeping because I'm just so tired. So I thought that there had to be a better way, because life isn't just about working and breathing and eating and then just doing it again and again and again. So I decided to find an alternative, and I decided to look into trading. Now, when I first started trading, like what I wrote in my testimonial, I was making a lot of mistakes. I was doing all the wrong things, and it was very frustrating. That was until I came up, I looked in the newspaper, I saw Kishore's advertisement for the Power Up course. And before I started doing Forex trading, I was already trading for myself for about 6 months. I was about breaking even. I put $5,000 into my brokerage account. At the end of the month, it's like $5,050. So win, lose, very frustrating. But after I went to Kishore's course, what happened was that my mind started to open. I started to realize the mistakes I was making, and I also started to realize that there were techniques out there that were much better than what I was using. And because I already had an account, immediately after I ended the course, I was very excited, so I started to apply his strategies. And they are very easy to understand because they give you exact entry, exact exit. I know exactly what I have to do when I wake up in the morning. So I started with a goal of $200 a day, $200 a day. And then gradually, as I was able to do that, I started to increase it. And now I possess the skill and the ability to make at least $1,000 a day. This is something which I didn't think was possible before when I was working for other people. But now that I do that, I can decide if I want to work today or I want to work tomorrow. If I work the first 3 days of the week, I make $3,000. It's much more than what I've done before. So, like what I write in my testimonial, if you want to attend a Forex course, make sure that it gives you a good foundation and also gives you strategies that you can use immediately. Something which is easy to understand. I think Kishore is very good at explaining things to beginners. And at the time, I won't consider myself a beginner. I traded a bit before, but there were some other participants who were starting to make money after me, a few weeks after me. So I think Kishore deserves a round of applause for coming up with a course like this. And it certainly has changed my life. I don't worry about money anymore, and that's a gift that I think is priceless. Yeah. So thank you very much.
Thank
for
you so
listening.
much.
Thank you.
Since Adi has come all the way, Adi, 1 minute. He's come all the way. All right. I'm also going to give him my best-selling book, How to Retire Rich in 30 Days. All right. So give him a very big hand, everyone. Thank you so much. Yeah, the mic. All right. Now, just to let you know, for the record,